Okay, Amy, meet George. Hey, George, what do we got here?
Couple items in the kitchen. We've got obviously show some signs of leaks under this cabinet. This shelf should be replaced because it's in pretty bad shape. The dishwasher filled with water and wouldn't cycle.
It's like brand new inside, though. Look at that.
It wouldn't drain. We had to manually drain it. So that's not working. The other thing you need in the kitchen here is some GFI outlets.
Okay, yeah.
This switch doesn't work right on this too. So
Okay.
strips I noted that were damaged and loose.
Yeah. This is top quality flooring, though.
yeah, it looks like it.
The little exhaust up there.
This is set up for an electric dryer. The gas dryer has to vent to the exterior.
Yeah, they're pretty familiar with this stuff.
All right.
The older heater.
You have the original furnace here, which is really past its design life. It seems to work, but bathroom, you've got. See how the skylight's cracked? It's actually,
that looks like a texture.
Yeah, it actually it's called crazing, and it's just part of that plastic starts to crack.
Yep.
There too, but it's not all the way through.
The sink crazing, it's called.
Yeah.
All right.
It's not actually cracked through. It's just the surface starting to. Start. Items I'll show you. I'll have pictures in there about the interior of this panel that they sprayed the wall before they didn't cover the panel in the original construction. So
and that happens like on 80% of the ones you show me.
Yeah. Sticky doors. The
locks, yeah.
2012. It's got you'll see a lot of corrosion on top of the tank here.
Yep.
This is not fitted properly. That's a real poor fit on the exhaust vent.
Okay.
And the age of it.
Yep.
The two big things are the heating and air.
Yeah, okay. All right, well, thank you, bud.